Do you know the best way we can explain the Canadian American relationship to you mega mega people that have it all twisted and backwards? This is the best way, okay? Picture that big Leviathan, deep ocean entity, be it a big shark or that big, slow moving whale. That's Canada. You see? Big and powerful and majestic. In America, way down under our belly, you're that little sucker fish that hangs there, sucking and taking and wanting and expecting. And for some sick reason, we have to coexist because we're attached, and it's a symbiotic relationship that neither one of us can really shake. But make no mistake, we'll pluck that sucker fish off down there and flick it far away.